Okay, so today we have 170 students that need to go on a field trip, and we know that one bus holds 35 students. So what we need to figure out is how many buses we need for the 170 students. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this problem to a number line. So what we do when we do a number line is we start at 0. And since we know one bus holds 35 students, we know that 0 plus 35 equals 35. So we're going to add 35, and that gives us one bus. But obviously, 35 seats isn't enough for 170 students, so we know we're going to need another bus with another 35 seats. So we have 2 buses. So what we need to do is we need to add the 35 that we already have plus the 35 from the second bus. So we're going to do 35 plus 35, but we're going to break down 35 into friendlier numbers, 30 and 5. 30 and 5. Then we're going to add 30 plus 30, which gives us 60. 5 plus 5, which gives us 10. So now we're going to add our 60 and our 10, which gives us 70. So we now know that 2 buses hold 70 students. So we have 170 students, but now we only have 70 seats, and we know that's not enough and that we need 100 seats more. So we're going to need to add a third bus with another 35 seats. So now we have 3 buses. So we're going to take the 70 that we already have and add another 35 seats from our third bus. Again, breaking down our 35 into 30 and 5. So 70 plus 30 gives us 100. 100 plus the 5 gives us 105. So with our 3 buses, we have 105 seats, but we're still short for our 170 students. So we know that we're going to need another bus with another 35 seats, giving us our 4th bus. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take 105 and add the 35 seats. We're going to break down 105 into 105 and our 35 into 30 and 5. Friendlier numbers. Add together our 100 and our 30, which gives us 130. Add together our 2 5s, which gives us 10. So now we have 130 plus 10, which gives us 140 seats that our 4 buses have. But we know we have 170 students, so 140 is still not enough. 170 minus the 140 seats we do have with our 4 buses leaves us with 30 seats that we still need. So we know we're going to need another bus with another 35 seats. So we're going to add the 140 seats that we do have with the 35 from the 5th bus. Again, breaking down our 30 and 5 into our 35 into our 30 and 5. So 140 plus 30 equals 170, which is how many students we have. But we still have this remaining 5 seats. 170 plus 5 equals 175. So we have 175 seats in our 5 buses, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buses can hold our 170 students.